Half a day. This is Mike Bautista, Finance Insurance and Manager at Guam Autospot. So, how do you repair your credit by purchasing a vehicle at Guam Autospot? It's pretty simple. So you come in, we get you approved, and with this new loan, it's your turn and your time to show that you do have an ability to repay, and as long as you make your payments on time and you don't miss any of them, you will see that credit score go up. If you have any more questions, you could actually come see me or another great member of our finance team, and I can be contacted at 787-1414, or you can call us here at Guam Autospot at 478-AUTO.